We will now first go to Purva, who is joining us from Alibag, where the cyclone has made landfall just minutes earlier. This process, as we know, will continue over the next 3 hours. Purva.
Well, in Alibag, the winds have become stronger and it is just difficult to stand because now the cyclone is approaching. It is within 100 kilometers from Alibag, and as you can see, right now it is a low tide, which is somewhat of a relief that it is continuously raining, and it is low tide, so it is a relief that waterlogging may not take place in low-lying area if it is low tide at this point of time. But the sea is choppy, it is rough. There are these stronger winds which are blowing at this point of time, and also the trees around this coastline, as you can see, the wind is so strong that even the trees are swaying. Some of the branches, the loose branches, have even fallen off, and as you can see, there is some waterlogging which took place in this area near the coastline, and the wind speed is in fact increasing, and everything like the coastal line is being evacuated. What we've been told is like about 10,000 people in Raigad has been evacuated, and right now also the wind speed has increased, which just means that the cyclone is actually approaching. All the loose branches of trees are falling off. There's heavy swaying of trees, and the sea is absolutely choppy at this point of time. And although it is low tide, but still you can see how the waves are in fact choppy, and in fact it is the winds are blowing so strong that some of these loose branches of trees are also falling off, which just means that the cyclone is approaching Alibag coast, and the people near the coastline have been evacuated already. The evacuation process is complete, and now the police is patrolling the entire city and the coastline of Alibag, saying that people should stay indoors, and this is a time when the cyclone is approaching, and they're asking people to stay indoors. And in fact, everyone here has been evacuated already. The evacuation process started last night, and what we've been told is about 10,000 people in Raigad have already been evacuated into shelter homes, which are either schools or indoor auditoriums where people have been evacuated.
All right, Purva there reporting just before landfall happened. Now, of course, we can confirm that landfall has happened, and perhaps on the ground she hasn't been able to really get the latest updates. But landfall taking place shortly before 1 p.m. this afternoon. This is a process that will carry on, as we've been reporting, for the next 3 hours or so.